Nandito na tayo ngayon sa wetland system natin. Ito po ang ating mga wetland boxes. Ito yung equalization chamber. Unfortunately, ngayon pa lang namin siya matetest. Okay, for leakages. Or essentially, ngayon pa lang namin siya mapa-flood test. Ayan, kaya ngayon, pinupuno namin making use of this one, rainwater, the rainwater line. Ito pala, ito yung black water line. Anyway, I'll talk more about it sa other video. Ito yung rainwater line. So this one's coming from the rainwater tank. So ngayon pinupuno natin siya para ma-flood test na natin. Kasi ito yung isa sa mga problematic when it comes to leakages. Ang daming leaks, no, na dumadaan dito. Actually, up until now, may mga konti pa rin. Pero apparently naman, yung leak na yun ay galing dito sa pipe na ito. No? So, ayusin pa natin yan. Pero at least, kita-kita nyo naman. Okay. Medyo okay na. Actually, okay na so far at this portion. So, check pa natin yan. Ang ginamit na material natin para maayos yung leakages dyan sa chamber na yan ay this one, multi-purpose sealant, Prosil ang brand. Primarily yan ang ginamit natin para ma-seal yung mga butas-butas or yung mga cracks rather. Ayun, as you can see, kitang-kita naman. So enough about this equalization chamber. Puntahan na natin itong biggest chamber of all. Ayan. Sarap pag swimming, no? Kasi kulay blue. But of course, it's not ideal for swimming. Ang unang application, well, this one's true for all of the wetland boxes. Of course, ang unang ginawa natin ay we fix the cracks, yung mga visible cracks, no? And then we applied number one, itong cementitious waterproofing solution. And then afterwards, nung nag-dry up na siya, in-apply na natin ng PU solution. Pakita natin itong mga actual pails na naiwan. Okay, itong actual materials that we used in waterproofing the boxes. So firstly, number one is the cementitious. Okay, Sealproof is the brand that we used. And then layer number two, we have the PU coating. As for the brand, we made use of Sealbond Optimastic PUV. Of course, ang kulay nitong ating mga waterproofing solutions ay gray so that it matches the looks of the house. So, ganun lang kasimple, applicable po yun for all of these other wetland boxes.